Short Story 47 The Mysterious Map. In the heart of a small, quaint town nestled amidst rolling hills and lush meadows lived a young boy named Ethan. Ethan was known for his adventurous spirit and insatiable curiosity, always eager to explore the hidden corners of his surroundings. One day, while rummaging through his grandfather's attic, Ethan stumbled upon an ancient dusty map. The map was covered in intricate symbols and markings, and its edges were frayed and discoloured, suggesting it had been hidden away for many years. Ethan's heart pounded with excitement as he unfolded the map, his eyes tracing the lines and symbols that seemed to dance before him. Intrigued by the mysterious map, Ethan decided to embark on a quest to unravel its secrets. He gathered his trusty backpack, packed with essential supplies, and set off into the wilderness, following the winding trails guided by the ancient map. Along the way, Ethan encountered a variety of challenges and obstacles. He navigated through dense forests, crossed treacherous rivers, and scaled towering mountains, all while deciphering the cryptic symbols on the map. As Ethan ventured deeper into the wilderness, the map grew increasingly difficult to interpret. The symbols seemed to shift and change, leading him down unexpected paths and into uncharted territory. At one point, the map led him to a hidden cave, its entrance obscured by overgrown vines and a thick layer of moss. Ethan cautiously entered the cave, his flashlight cutting through the darkness, revealing a labyrinth of tunnels and chambers. Deep within the cave, Ethan discovered an ancient chamber adorned with carvings and symbols that mirrored those on the map. In the center of the chamber rested a stone pedestal, and upon the pedestal stood a shimmering orb, pulsating with an unearthly glow. Ethan's heart raced as he approached the orb, feeling a strange pull towards its power. As Ethan reached the orb, a surge of energy coursed through his body, and the cave walls began to tremble. The symbols on the walls glowed brighter, and the orb emitted a deafening hum. Ethan stumbled back, overwhelmed by the sudden power surge. When the tremors subsided and the hum faded, Ethan found himself standing in a completely transformed chamber. The carvings and symbols had become animated, pulsating with energy and forming intricate patterns that danced across the walls. Ethan realized that the orb was the key to unlocking the map's true purpose. He carefully picked up the orb, feeling its warmth radiating through his gloves. As he held the orb, the symbols on the map began to glow brighter, and intricate lines connected the symbols, forming a clearer picture of the map's intended path. With newfound determination, Ethan continued his quest, following the updated map's directions. The journey became easier as the symbols guided him along a more direct path. Finally, Ethan reached a hidden clearing deep within the forest, where a majestic waterfall cascaded into a crystalline pool. In the center of the pool, a shimmering portal pulsated with energy. Ethan knew that this was the final destination, the ultimate mystery revealed by the map. He stepped into the portal, and with a blinding flash of light, he was transported to another realm, a place of vibrant colors and fantastical creatures. Ethan's adventure in the unknown realm took him on a series of extraordinary encounters, each more extraordinary than the last. He outsmarted cunning pixies, evaded mischievous sprites, and befriended wise old dragons. Along the way, he learned about the delicate balance between the realms, the importance of preserving the natural world, and the true power of courage and kindness. After a series of trials and tribulations, Ethan finally completed his quest, restoring harmony to the two realms and gaining invaluable wisdom along the way. He returned to his own world transformed by his extraordinary experiences, The ancient map, now deciphered and its secrets revealed, became a cherished reminder of his remarkable journey. Ethan's story became a legend in his hometown, inspiring others to embrace their adventurous spirits and pursue their own quests for knowledge and understanding. And so the legacy of the mysterious map lived on, a testament to the power of curiosity, perseverance, and the boundless magic that exists within the world and within ourselves. Ethan's return to his hometown was met with a wave of excitement and disbelief. His friends and family had long given up hope of seeing him again, believing that he had vanished into the depths of the unexplored realm. As Ethan recounted his extraordinary journey, his words painted vivid pictures in the minds of his listeners, transporting them to the fantastical world he had traversed. Ethan's tale of adventure and discovery resonated with the people of his hometown, igniting a spark of curiosity and wonder in their hearts. Children, once content with their familiar surroundings, now dreamed of exploring uncharted territories and encountering the extraordinary creatures Ethan had described. Adults who had grown accustomed to the mundane routines of their daily lives felt a renewed sense of awe and appreciation for the wonders that lay beyond their perceived reality. Ethan's story became a catalyst for change in his hometown. People became more open-minded and adventurous, seeking out new experiences and embracing the possibility of the unknown. They explored the hidden corners of their town, rediscovering the beauty and magic they had always been present but often overlooked. The ancient map, once a mystery and an intrigue, became a symbol of hope and inspiration. It was displayed proudly in the town hall, its intricate symbols and markings serving as a reminder of the limitless possibilities that life held. Children would gather around the map, tracing the paths Ethan had taken and imagining their own extraordinary journeys. Ethan, now a young man with a wealth of knowledge and experience, continued to inspire others with his adventurous spirit and thirst for knowledge. He shared his wisdom with the townspeople, encouraging them to embrace the unexpected and pursue their dreams with unwavering courage.